जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयमयोगमु 46th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those who does Atma Sakshatkara Sadhana, they are known as yogi. So yogi is superior to those who does tapasya. Yogi is superior to those who have knowledge about everything other than Atma. Yogi is superior to those who does Agni Karyam and all these activities. Arjuna, that is why you become yogi, you have to do Atma Sakshatkara Sadhana. Like this, Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon the superiority of being yogi. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tapasvibhyaha adhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha कर्मिभ्यश्चाधिको योगी तस्मात् योगी भवार्जुन। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and then I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava, he is disclosing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory and sharing with Vidura. He is saying like this, O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma, he sat at the roots of the big tree. He is leaning on the tree. If we look at that spot, if we look at that Krishna Paramatma's beautiful posture, it is looking like as if the entire joy is personified over there. Not only that, O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma looking like the entire peace. If it take a form, that is what Krishna Paramatma, that is how he is looking under the tree. O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma never gets tainted by these karmas. Probably that is the reason, though Krishna Paramatma got older, his body never gone old and never gone wrinkled. That is how he is looking there. Then at that time, Tasmin Mahabhagavato Dvaipayana Suhrutu Sakha. At that time, Maitreya came. Maitreya is such a great devotee. Maitreya has so much of love, devotion towards Vyasa Bhagavan. Such Maitreya, when he came over there, while going around all the places, Lokan, Anucharan, Siddha, while going around all the places, Asasada, Yadruchaya, unknowingly, without any planning, he ended up over there. That Maitreya has seen Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Maitreya's heart is filled up with so much of joy and devotion. That devotion, that joy is spontaneously coming out from Maitreya when he started enjoying Krishna Paramatma's beautiful posture over there. Paramatma has seen Maitreya. Paramatma noticed that Maitreya, how much he is feeling happy to see him. That is when Paramatma got connected to Maitreya and made sure just by only his divine grace, divine looks, all sort of pains of Maitreya is gone. All related pains are gone of Maitreya just by Krishna Paramatma's divine looks. Then Vidura, Krishna Paramatma started looking at me at that time and he said, Uddhava, in your previous life, you were one of the Vasus. You always have a desire to attain me, mat siddhi kamena. You always have that desire, and you have prayed me, you did aradhana to me. I came to know about that desire. I realized your wish to attain me. Now that is what I am going to give you. This wish can be fulfilled only to those who does my pada seva. For others it is impossible. That sort of great anugraham that I am now going to shower on you. Like that, O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma showered his anugraham, kataksham on me at that time. Like that, Uddhava sharing the divine experience of himself with Krishna Paramatma, he is sharing to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Shri Madhurashtakam. Gopa Madhura Gavo Madhura Yeshtir Madhura Srishtir Madhura Dalitam Madhuram Phalitam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tisthati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 46th sloka. Tapasvibhyaha adhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha karmebhyaschadhiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha karmibhyaschadhiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.